Marinated salmon, known as gravlax, is ideally suited as a starter for hosts who want to be well prepared in advance. This is because the fresh salmon fillet is already marinated a day in advance in a mixture of salt, sugar, spices and herbs, in this case black pepper, lemon peel, juniper berries and dill. A shot of aquavit adds a touch of caraway flavor. We begin with the spices. Crush the juniper berries and peppercorns in a mortar, not necessarily very finely. Cut off the stems of the dill, roughly chop them, and also crush them. You will not need the dill tips until the next day. In a large mixing bowl, combine the crushed spices with the aquavit, the lemon peel, the sugar, and the salt. Briefly rinse the salmon fillet, which should be of even thickness if possible, and thoroughly pat it dry. Put the fish in a shallow bowl and cover it evenly with the spice mixture. Cover the salmon with a piece of cling film and weigh it down with a chopping board. The weight and the salt subsequently ensure that the fish is dehydrated and doesn't perish all too quickly. Now the salmon is refrigerated for approximately 36 hours, during which it absorbs the flavors and is, so to say, cured by the cold. You should turn it over after 18 hours. Rinse the spice mixture from the cured salmon and thoroughly pat it dry. Finally shred the dill tips and distribute them over the fish. Now you can cut the salmon into thin slanted strips using a special salmon knife or any other knife with a long thin blade. Serve this exclusive starter in combination with a tangy dill mustard sauce or a crisp vegetable salad before a main dish of succulent minute steaks or hearty braised beef or roast pork with crust. Enjoy!